Channel. Today I will discuss about the how we have to design a page in MS Word. Now come to the point, that is the first point is firstly you have to click your mouse button and create a MS Word document copy. Now this is the icon of MS Word and we will open by two click, and you can also open by open option. Now this is your plain sheet. You can see here plain sheet, and now we will design this plain sheet. So firstly we will go to home, and then after we will click about the page layout. After clicking the page layout, you will see here this is the orientation. If you will click the orientation, you will get the landscape. Now this page has been landscape. Now again go to the home and then click the page layout. Please layout click, then after you will click the page color. If you want any color, then you go and click the color. Here I am clicking the yellow color, and now this is the process of coloring. So here you will get the yellow page. Now then after we will design the outline. We will give the another outline. So again you will go in the page layout and you will click the page border. You can see here page border. After that you will just see here in the art section, you will click and you will get a lot of border. Which border would you like to give? You can click and see. And then after we will, suppose that we want to make a card and some picture we want to click here. Then after we will go, just click and go to insert. If you will go to insert, you will see the picture option. This is the picture option. You can see. You will click picture option, and from here you will click again, and here you can see the insert button and click here. Now this picture, and you can do anything with picture, small, large. Now you are the special. If you want to give any name, suppose that here you want to give name the Sia, SIA, Sia. Then in the clip art, from the clip art you will use the design. Here word art you will use, and here you will write which you want to write. Suppose that I am writing Shia. Okay, so this is the, you can also do like this. Now you can see here कि we have pasted already a picture from the insert section. This is the process. You can make the figure small and big. Now this is the process of design the paper. Suppose that if you want to another border, then you will go to the page layout and page border. You will click again. You will go in the art and give the another thing, and then OK. You can see the page border has been changed. Now come to the next, that is watermark. Suppose that if you want to give any watermark, then you will go in watermark section. Watermark section you will get a lot of things, which suppose that if you want any confidential. So see, you can see in the picture confidential watermark. So this is the process of watermark, picture insert, and the border. Now I hope you all of you understand all the process of inserting the picture and making the border, and which I have given the. And now if you like the video, please share with your friend, and if you have any question, any query regarding this, please write in the comment. Thanks, and thanks for watching.